Hey guys, it's Josh. Today we'll be doing a dry application of window graphics. Window graphics are one of the most common surfaces that we apply to, but also one of the most difficult applications due to the high surface energy of glass. Here are a few tips to make your window application easier. First, follow the steps outlined in the video, creating a clean zone for window graphics. Now let's install a large printed graphic. Here I'll be using Ever-Etched Cast with FLITE Technology. FLITE Technology allows for this graphic to be installed dry and bubble-free. Begin by aligning the graphic and taping it in place. Large graphics tend to creep up or down, so be sure to make lots of registration marks to help you stay on track. Let's create an anchoring point using the graphic. I do this by using a backslitting tool called the bodyguard knife. This tool allows me to choose where I want to start the application by cutting only the liner. Use the bodyguard knife to slit the liner and expose a 2-inch width of adhesive. Now, I will realign the graphic with my registration marks and tack down the exposed adhesive to the glass, anchoring the graphic to the glass. I can then begin applying it in either direction. The key to an easy dry window application is adhesive management. Only expose the minimum amount of adhesive necessary so that you are in control of the application at all times. Strokes may appear after installing, but this is typical for the application and will wet out over 24 hours. Adhesive management is crucial to the dry application of window graphics. By controlling the amount of adhesive you expose, you can make even the largest window graphics an easy application.